Welcome to the Chic Show. My name is Marla. The Just Our Imagination team is throwing a crafty challenge our way. Get ready as I roll up my sleeves and flex my DIY muscles using 3 challenge items. Who knows, you might just learn a thing or two along the way. Ready, set, craft. Today's challenge is to use these 3 items. The first item on my list is twine. With my scissors, I snipped a small circle from a burlap ribbon scrap. Then I cut 8 pieces of twine, each about 2 to 3 inches long. Folding each strand in half, I secured them to the edge of my burlap circle with hot glue and my handy silicone tool. I started out at 12 o'clock, then 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and then I filled in the gaps. My petals prepped, I used my hot glue gun and a twine strip to create a spiral. We will do it. We will do it. Sweet rain and honest truth is what I get from you. I used my lighter to get rid of all those twine hairs. I chose a couple of greenery picks from my stash and attached those to this wood wreath using more twine. In addition to the flower that I made, I'm using some of these Dollar Tree burlap flowers. I carefully positioned the flowers and with a quick dab of hot glue secured them to the greenery. Don't go too far now. Delightful springtime piece that will make neutral decor enthusiasts bloom with joy. Who knew that a humble paper lunch bag, some twine, and a cluster of stamps could be so versatile? I'm crafting a collection of plush paper hearts. I took the paper bag and gave it a snip down the middle, then chopped off the bottom. I spritzed the paper bag with a dash of water and flattened out any unsightly creases with my mini press. Next, I folded the bag in half and I used a collection of clear stamps to print a masterpiece without any rhyme or reason. I traced hearts in different areas and I cut them out. Don't forget, you have a double layer. The bottom layer is completely blank. I cut out the hearts and then came the fun part, using a yarn needle to make holes all around the hearts. With different twines, I gave each heart its own flair by stitching along the sides. Sideways, up or down, it's all the same. We will do it. We will do it. Sweet rain and honest truth is what I get from you. Before stitching all the way around, I snipped a few pieces of a plastic bag and stuffed them inside. Then I sewed up the rest of the heart and tied a knot on the back. I repeated the process 2 more times. cute little hearts that are ready to be shown off.
I know we'll find the missing frame. Sideways, up or down, it's all the same. We will do it, we will do it. Don't leave already. Oh no, no, I'm not that steady.
This project is using a dowel rod. I had this piece of leftover dowel rod from a previous project. I used some old and gray barnwood patina by DIY to give it some color.
We can do it, we can do it.
I used my drill to drill a pretty deep hole in one end to accommodate this drawer pull. Using hot glue, I glued the dowel into this glass candle holder. The drawer pull is easily removed, so I can add a roll of ribbon or twine and have it at my fingertips for projects just like these.
We will do it, we will do it. And we will do it. And we will do it.
Now for the caulk challenge item. I had caulk on hand, but it was pretty thick, so I just cut open the tube and scooped it out using a craft stick. I spread a thin textured layer over the small canvas.
What's the remedy? We'd be like-minded if we could, but that's not the case.
Once I had it like I wanted, I used the top of the heart box to make an imprint.
Don't be concerned. Oh.
With more caulk, I filled in the heart so that it had a 3D effect, and I let this dry overnight.
We in deciding games, and we don't pull them both ways. We can do it, we can do it. I know we'll find the missing frame. Sideways, up or down, it's all.
The next day, I sanded away any rough edges.
We will do it.
I gave the entire piece a coat of Waverly plaster chalk paint.
Sweet rain and honest truth is what I get from you. No matter how hard I get.
For the heart, I mixed together these two pink paints and proceeded to paint the inside of the heart.
When we in deciding games, and we don't pull them both ways. We can do it.
I decided I didn't like the flat finish of the plaster paint, so I painted over it with Fusion paint and casement. Fusion paint is an all-in-one paint that has a built-in sealer, and I liked the way this looked much better.
We will do it. Don't.
To highlight the texture of the heart, I used Rub and Buff and my new favorite tool to apply it. This is a concealer makeup brush from Dollar Tree. It works perfectly with Rub and Buff. Once I had the heart finished, I went around the edge of the piece, but this part is not actually going to show. I added my canvas to a thrifted frame, and I love the way it turned out. Big hugs to Kathy, Jo, Brenda, and Loli for throwing down the gauntlet with this challenge. Don't forget to show them some love and check out all the crafty creators who've risen to the challenge. Links are all down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, share the chic. Bye now.